Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Box Talks. I'm here to talk to you today about 3 wonderful packages that we produced for Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. This first package is a folio, consisted of 5-panel folder, the outside wrapped in a soft touch, luxurious wrap material known as Mano. The interior of this folio is wrapped in a custom colored Mano per the client's PMS color. So this package was produced to present to new clients of when they purchased either their software solution or one of their number of hardware items that they produce there. The construction of the box is made out of solid Esca, and on the folder, outside folder, is a foil stamp, silver foil stamp. Also, on the interior of the folder is a foil stamp. So the client chose to use a double-face satin ribbon loop that indicated their specific logo colors, and they had the option of adding their actual logo to the ribbon loop. On the inside of this package, when they would receive it, they would receive a welcome letter from the president. The interior pocket here with these ribbon straps was for documentation of the product that they purchased, whether that was a hardware product or a software product. On the right-hand side here was additional documentation, maybe some swag, and the business card of the sales rep that they purchased the product from. What the clients used to receive was just a bag with all the documents in it, nothing spectacular. The client came to us and was like, we need to include a really nice welcome kit that has all the documents about the item that they're making, that they purchased. For this next package, Hexagon wanted a product package for their software solution. So anytime a client would purchase one of their software packages, they would then ship it to them in this beautiful basin lid style. It has 2 thumb cut. The box is wrapped in an 80-pound coated stock, printed 4-color, with their logo in a flood coat, with a soft touch, nylon soft touch film lamination. On the inside, when you remove it, you have a dense foam pad, and on the interior of the box has 3 die cuts pertaining to the different softwares that you may purchase from Hexagon. So in this case, this client purchased 1 software solution from Hexagon. So what they would do is load their software onto a USB and then put it into the package and then mail it directly to the client. For this next package, originally it started as a rock box, which was a crazy concept. From the rock box, they scrapped it and they wanted something more simplistic. They opted to make 50 of these folio folders, and they sourced a TV to have us apply it to the interior of this folder. The interior is wrapped in a soft touch material. I believe it's Mano. We did a 1-color hot stamp. The outside wrap of this folder was a digitally printed with Hexagon's logo. It's an 80-pound coated one side plus a matte film lamination. So this was made for a trade show, and half of them were in English and half of them were in Spanish. And it also came with a USB charger. And they would open this up, they would hit the power button, and it would start the video showcasing the technology of this mining software and hardware. So this was a 1-color foil stamp which outlined different key points of the product itself. From simple to complex, we can integrate technology into your packaging. Please give us a call on your next packaging project.